Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So guys, in this video you will be watching beautiful collection of hanger covers. They are really amazing and nowadays they are really in fashion. You can make these beautiful hanger covers for your clothes and they are really amazing and looks really elegant. When you make these kind of things for your house, it looks really elegant and feels really hard working because you are trying to make your house, your wardrobe, your design, your clothing a really sophisticated way. So these kind of hanger cover are really amazing, and the one who will watch them, they will just admire your hard working for your house. They are really amazing with beautiful patterns and amazing color combinations with beautiful 3D flowers on them. There are so many designs in this video. You can find so many ideas to make these beautiful covers for your hangers. you know they looks really interesting and amazing, and give your wardrobe a really luxurious look, and make them you know in a beautiful way. They will just be your favorite part of your wardrobe. As you can see, all the designs are really amazing with patterns and stitches and thread of crochet. They are looking really amazing. I hope you're enjoying the video, you're liking the collection, you are just loving all the videos on my channel. If you like them, please let me know in the comments, send me your feedback so that I can know that you're liking my videos or not. If you like them, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I make more videos of that, you just get the notification so that you can watch my collections, my designs on time. And guys, if you love these kind of videos, please share this video with your friends so that they can also use these ideas for making their beautiful projects of crochet. These kind of hangers are also called the granny hangers. As you know that our grannies were really hardworking. They used to make little things for make the house beautiful. So these hangers are not just simple kind of hangers. They are really amazing with the beautiful hard work of our grannies. So these ideas called the granny hangers, they are amazing and beautiful and looks really sophisticated. I hope you're enjoying the video, you're liking the video, you're enjoying the collection full of colors and amazing ideas. As you can see, the patterns and designs are really amazing, eye-catching, and everybody who will watch them, they will love and adore your hard work for your house. And guys, I bring these kind of ideas about the crochet to give you idea which kind of things are in fashion nowadays. So I hope you're getting the ideas from my channel, as I have so many videos on my channel which are full of designs and patterns with different kind of ideas like decoration or clothing, bed sheets, blankets, or table cover, table runners, or floor cushions, floor mats. There are so many designs. You will love all the videos. Just go through the videos on my channel. You will be amazed that there are so many ideas on the channel, and you will be enjoying all the videos. If you like them, please let me know in the comment. I hope you're liking my videos. I hope you're enjoying all the videos as I make them to just give you beautiful ideas and view of these amazing projects of crochet, which is a really great art. The people who can make the crochet things, they can make anything for their house. They can make anything which looks really amazing for the house decoration or their comfort level. They can make the comfortable clothes for their children. This is the very fantastic way of art. I hope you will love making these kind of little things for your house. Guys, if you are liking the video, please share this video and like the video. Once again, I'm just telling you, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be very appreciated, and I'll get appreciated with your this act of kindness of making me, you know, go further for my channel. And I'll be making more videos for you with the amazing ideas in upcoming time. You will be enjoying all the videos. For that, just stick to the channel, wait for the upcoming videos. You will be enjoying amazing videos on my channel. I hope you will love all the videos. Till then, just be with my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this beautiful collection with me. I hope you're enjoying.